Are you overwhelmed by debt? Creditor calls making your life a misery? Maybe you're thinking about bankruptcy. Or worse, you're in danger of destroying your life, your relationships, and your health, all because of too much debt? At Options Credit in Kelowna, we're here to help you, show you how to get rid of your debt, rebuild your credit, and get your life back on track, fast. This short video, one in a series about Canadians and debt, gives you vital information you need today. Watch it now, and if you have questions about getting rid of your debt fast, then please contact us without delay.
Sometimes good, responsible people run into debt problems, and it's not their fault. A job loss, reduction in hours, or there's a change in family circumstances, such as a divorce, a death, or an illness, and it can push people right over the edge. For whatever reason, they can't make payments on their credit card debts and meet other financial obligations. It can be frightening, not knowing what to do or where to turn. Too often they become paralyzed, and because they don't know what to do, they do nothing. Then creditors begin sending them letters. Still, they do nothing. The debt mounts and the fear grows. After a while, the phone starts ringing. Pretty soon, they're too scared to answer the phone because they're afraid it's a creditor calling. We understand the stress and the pressure this puts on you. And we know, although the creditors are not allowed to threaten you, those collection agency calls can feel harassing, and they can put you under tremendous stress. When you work with Options Credit on a debt management program, these creditor calls and collection agency calls stop. We contact all your creditors, and we tell them to call us instead. We form a barrier, a shield between you and those awful calls. You deal with us, and we deal with them. It's that simple.
I hope this information has been helpful. If you'd like to find out how an Options Debt Management Program can help rescue you from drowning in debt and stopping those creditor calls, then contact us today by calling now, or visit our website for even more useful information. And by the way, when you visit our site, you'll be eligible to receive our popular ebook, 5 Steps to Stop Creditor Calls Today. It's free, and it shows you practical actions you can take to start living again right away.